Hello everyone, this is the second episode of the chapter Quadratic Equation. In this episode, we are going to discuss how to solve quadratic equation using the formula. Now, if you remember in our first episode or in the previous part, we'll discuss how to solve the quadratic equation using the factorization method. Today we are going to learn how to solve quadratic equation using the formula. Now, first standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and I mention here a not equal to 0. Now, what is the formula? By formula, if you remember, by factorization method, we are getting the two values of x. Now here, using the formula, we also get the two values of x, but you doesn't need to do the factorization. Directly apply the formula and you will get the values of x. So formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Again I am repeating, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So what are the two values here? Two values are, one time we consider plus and next time we consider minus. That is, x is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now the question comes, how we get this formula? For this you can follow the link given in the description box where I discuss how to find out this formula. The entire derivation is there. Today in this episode we learn how to apply this formula to find out the value. So we start solving the problem. Solve for x using formula. Equation is given as 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now the first step is we compare the given equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation. That means we compare these two equations. Now, so we write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get. Now if we compare, then a is equal to 2, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, we considering the sign also, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. Am I clear to everyone? We are comparing these two equations. I am showing this step here. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 2x square minus 6x plus 3. So if you consider this term, so ax square is equal to 2x square, that means a is equal to 2 plus bx is equal to minus 6x, so b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. Once you get a value of a, b and c by comparing these two equations, then we write the formula. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute the value. Minus b. So we write minus, value of b is minus 6. So minus of minus 6. Formula is minus b. So value of b is minus 6. So we write minus of minus 6 plus minus b square b square means minus 6 square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into a. Now we simplify minus of minus plus 6 plus minus square root of minus 6 square, that is equal to 36, minus 6 square. Sometimes you commit the mistake, minus 6 square means minus 6 into minus 6. So minus of into minus plus 6 into 6, 36, minus 4 into 2, 8, 8 3 is 24 by 6. 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 24 is equal to 12 by 6. Now we simplify. 12 we divided into prime factorization. So root 12 is equal to, we can write 2 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 2 root 3 square root. So these two make a pair and it will become 2 root 3. So 6 plus minus 2 root 3 by 6. Now from the numerator we can take 2 common. If we take 2 common, then we will get 3 plus minus root 3 by 6. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. So 3 plus minus root 3 by 3. So therefore values of x are 3 plus root 3 by 3 and 3 minus root 3 by 3. Let us discuss this problem. 2x plus 3 multiplied by 3x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So first we solve this, we multiply these two terms, simplify and we write it in the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and then we apply the formula. So first we multiply these two terms. So 2x multiplied by 3x is equal to 6x square. 2x multiplied by minus 2 is equal to minus 4x. 3 multiplied with 3x is equal to 9x. 3 multiplied with minus 2 is equal to minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we simplify. 6x square minus 4x plus 9x is equal to plus 5x. Minus 6 plus 2 is equal to minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is a standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now next we comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If we compare with this, so a is equal to 6, we get a is equal to 6, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 4. We are comparing 6x square plus 5x minus 4 is equal to 0 with the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we apply the formula. So formula is x is equal to, I am writing the formula, minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is equal to minus b. So minus value of b is 5. So minus 5 plus minus square root of b square, that is value of b is 5, so 5 square minus 4 into a into c. So 4 into value of a is 6 into value of c is minus 4 by 2a, 2 into a, that is 6. Now we simplify this one. So minus 5 plus minus square root of 5 square means 25 minus plus 4 into 6, 24. 24 multiplied by 4. 4 into 6, 24. 24 multiplied by 4, 96. By 12. So this is equal to minus 5 plus minus, add these two, 96 plus 25, 6 plus 5, 11, 9 to 11, 1, 12. 121, it is a perfect square of 11. So minus 5 plus minus 11 by 12. So we'll get, therefore x is equal to, we split the term, that is minus 5 plus 11 by 12 or minus 5 minus 11 by 12. If you simplify, so minus 5 plus 11, it is equal to 6 by 12, that is equal to 1 by 2, or minus 5 minus 11, that is minus 16 by 12, 4 3 ja, 4 4 ja, so you are getting minus 4 by 3. So value of x are 1 by 2 or minus 4 by 3. Let us solve this problem. It is given as root 3 x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. So it is already given in the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So directly we compare. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to root 3, a is equal to root 3, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to minus 8 root 3. If you compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, so you are getting value of a as root 3, value of b as 10 and c as minus 8 root 3. Now we apply the formula. So x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute the value. Minus b, value of b is 10, so minus 10 plus minus b square. B square means 10 square minus 4 into a, that is root 3, into c, that is minus 8 root 3 by 2 into a, that is 2 into root 3. Now we simplify. So minus 10 plus minus 10 square means 100 minus of and minus plus 4 into 8, 32, 32 and root 3, 3. Again if you multiply these two, so minus minus plus 4 root 3 multiplied by 8 root 3. 4 root 3 multiplied by 8 root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. 4 8 is 32. 32 into root 3, that is equal to 96 by 2 root 3. So minus 10 plus minus square root of 196 by 2 root 3. 196 is a perfect square of 14. See, I am multiplying 4 4 ja 16, 6, 1 4 1 ja 4, 5, 196. So 196 square root of 196 is 14. So we will get minus 10 plus minus 14 by 2 root 3. Therefore x is equal to minus 10 plus 14 by 2 root 3 or minus 10 minus 14 by 2 root 3. So if you simplify, minus 10 plus 15 is equal to 4 by 2 root 3. We will cancel 2 1 ja 2. So 2 by root 3. Root term is there in the denominator, so better we rationalize it. Rationalize it means multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3. So we will get 2 root 3 by 3 or minus 10 minus 14 minus 24 by 2 root 3, 12. So minus 12 by root 3, again we rationalize. So by multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3. So minus 12 root 3 by 3, 3 4 ja. So we get minus 4 root 3. So value of x is 2 root 3 by 3 or minus 4 root. Now let us solve this problem. A into x square plus 1 is equal to a square plus 1 into x. So first we simplify this equation by multiplying and write it in the standard form. So if you multiply, you will get ax square plus a is equal to a square plus 1 into x. So standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now in the question a is used, so better we change our notation to a1 is a1x square plus b1x plus c1 is equal to 0. Clear? We will not use the same notation. So if we simplify or if we arrange this in the standard form, so this will be the leading term ax square minus of this term, so minus of a square plus 1 into x plus a is equal to 0. Square term, linear term followed by the constant. So if we compare, so we write comparing with a1x square plus b1x plus c1 is equal to 0, we will get a1 is equal to a, b1 is equal to minus of a square plus 1 and c1 is equal to a. Now we apply the formula. So x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is equal to minus of b. So we are using b1 a1, so I am writing this as a same notation. So minus of b1, so minus of minus plus a square plus 1 plus minus square root of b square. That means this term is square. So we write minus of a square plus 1 b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a, because a1 is equal to a. So this is equal to a square plus 1 plus minus square term of negative is positive, so it will be equal to a square plus 1 whole square. So a square plus 1 whole square. If we expand this in the form of a plus b whole square, so you get a to the power 4 plus 2a square plus 1. So we write a to the power 4 plus 2a square plus 1 minus 4a square by 2a. So this is equal to a square plus 1 plus minus a to the power 4 plus 2a square minus 4a square. This is equal to minus 2a square plus 1 by 2a. Now a to the power 4 minus 2a square plus 1, this is actually a square minus 1 whole square. See, if we expand this one, or you can write this term as a to the power 4 minus 2a square plus 1 can be written as square of a square minus 2 into a square into 1 plus 1 square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, so that is equal to a minus b whole square. So this is equal to a square plus 1 plus minus a square minus 1 by 2a, because the square root of this, if we take the square root of this, in place of this we can write a square minus 1 whole square, and this is equal to a square minus 1. So this is equal to, so you get two values of x, one is a square plus 1 plus a square minus 1 by 2a, and second, once you take the negative sign, this will become positive. So a square plus 1 minus a square plus 1 by 2a. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, so you will get 2a square by 2a. This is equal to 2 cancel, a cancel, so you get a, and here minus a square will get cancelled. So 2 by 2a, this is equal to 1 by a. So solution of this equation is a and 1 by a. Here we write or, because we are getting two values. Let us solve this problem. X square minus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. Give your answer correct to two decimal places. So first we solve the problem and then I discuss this part. So x square minus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. So we compare with the standard form. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You get a is equal to 1. X square can be written as 1 into x square. B is equal to minus 3. And c is equal to minus 9. So now apply the formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b, that means minus of minus 3 plus minus square root of b square, that is minus 3 square minus 4 into a, value of a is 1, c is minus 9 by 2 into a. So if you simplify further, minus of minus plus 3 plus minus 3 square, that is 9, minus minus plus 9 into 4, 36 by 2. So you get 3 plus minus 36 plus 9, 45 by 2. Now we simplify 45. So square root of 45. 45 can be written as 3 3 is 9, 5 is 45. So this is equal to 3 root 5. So this is equal to 3 plus 3 root 5 by 2. So you get value of x as 3 plus 3 root 5 by 2 and 3 minus 3 root 5 by 2. Clear? Now substitute the value of root 5. Substitute the value of root 5 in the given equation. So we will get the value of x is equal to 3 plus 3 root 5 by 2, 3 minus 3 root 5 by 2. Root 5 value is equal to 2.236. 2.236. So we have to correct to 2 decimal places. We calculate till 3 decimal places, and in the final answer we write the answer in 2 decimal places. So 3 plus 3 into 2.236 by 2 and 3 minus 3 into 2.236 by 2. Now I am showing one calculation. So you need to multiply with 3. So if you multiply with 3, 3 6 is 18, 3 3 is 9, 1 10, 1 3 2 is 6, 1 7, 6.708 plus 3, that means you will get 9.708 by 2, and you need to subtract 3, so you will get minus 3.708 by 2. So if you divide 2 4 is 8, 1 8 17, 2 8 is 16, 2 5 4, and here we will get 2 1 is 2, 6 17, 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 2 4 is. So answer will be 4.85 and minus 1.85.